going to teach you how to delete a workflow in n8n. Before we jump in, a quick note. Deleting a workflow in n8n is permanent, so make sure you truly no longer need it. Once it's gone, any automations, schedules, or triggers tied to that workflow will stop running. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and carefully. Start by opening n8n and heading to the Workflows page. This is your main hub, where all of your automations are listed. You'll typically find it from the sidebar or top navigation, and it shows key details like the workflow name, when it was last updated, and sometimes tags or status. Give the page a second to load so you're seeing the latest state of your workspace. Next, find the workflow you want to delete. If you have a long list, use the search bar to quickly narrow things down by name or keyword. You can also sort by last updated to bring recently changed items to the top. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct workflow by double-checking the title and any identifying details you rely on. A short pause now can prevent removing something important later. When you've identified the correct workflow, open its Actions menu. You can do this in two ways. Either right-click directly on the workflow's name, or click the three dots that appear beside it. Both actions open the same context menu with options specific to that workflow. From the menu, click Delete. n8n will not remove it immediately. Instead, you'll see a confirmation prompt to make sure this is intentional. This is your last checkpoint. Read the confirmation message carefully and verify you're acting on the correct workflow. If everything looks right, confirm the deletion. Once you confirm the workflow is permanently removed from your workspace, you should see it disappear from the list. If it doesn't vanish right away, refresh the page to ensure you're viewing the most up-to-date state. From this point forward, the workflow won't run, and it won't be available for editing or reuse. That's all it takes. To recap, you opened n8n, went to the Workflows page, located the workflow, opened the context menu, chose Delete, and confirmed the action. Keep your environment clean by periodically reviewing old or test workflows, and consider clear naming and tags so it's easy to identify what's safe to remove in the future.